Hi everyone, I'm Roy and welcome to another one of my property tips of the day. Now, whether you're flipping properties or you're refurbishing them for buy-to-lets, a question I get asked a lot is what type of fixtures and fittings should I install? What type of quality? How much money should I spend? Well, how long is a piece of string? Yeah, but for me, regardless of whether it's a buy-to-let or a flip, my advice is always put in good quality fixtures and fittings in a buy-to-let. Now you might say, well, why would I want to spend extra money on a buy-to-let when there's a possibility tenants will damage it or, not look after it? Well, if you put in good quality fixtures and fittings, it's highly likely that they'll last a lot longer than cheap. So for example, kitchen units. If you put cheap kitchen units in, cheap doors, cheap hinges or anything like that, they're not going to last long, no matter, how much care a tenant may or may not take. And the same goes for general wear and tear in your own house. If you buy cheap, you get what you pay for. So my advice is spend a little bit extra, put good quality fixtures and fittings in the buy-to-lets, and I more or less can guarantee they'll last longer and it'll save you money in the long run. Until next time, ciao for now.